Hey everybody, it's Andy. I recently got my 26-liter GoRuck GR2 in the mail, and I posted in the Carryology page a bunch of photos comparing the different size GoRuck bags. One of the questions a few people asked was, how does the 26-liter GR2 compare to the 26-liter GR1? In this video, I'm going to try to give you a sense for what you can fit in each of these bags and how the different sizes and styles of the bags compare with each other. If you like content like this and want to see more, please smash the like button on YouTube, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'm so close to hitting that 1,000 subscribers that every one really helps. Thank you all very much, and let's get into it. The GR1 and GR2 are very similar bags, but they have a key difference. Both of them feature the same bomb-proof laptop compartment and the large clamshell opening pocket. The GR1, however, has that one large opening, while the GR2 has the large opening, but it also has an additional pocket with plenty of organization in front. When it comes to sizing of the bags, the GR1 comes in this 26-liter size, as well as a 21-liter size. And the way that they do it, the GR2s are measured similar to the GR1s. So the 21-liter GR1 corresponds with the 26-liter GR2, and the 26-liter GR1 corresponds with the 34-liter GR2. Mainly in this video, we're going to be talking about the 26-liter GR1 and 26-liter GR2 because they're both advertised with that same 26 liters. In order to compare the sizes of these bags, I'm going to be using the Peak Design packing cubes in the small and medium size. These are convenient because they fit almost perfectly into the main compartment of the 26-liter GR2. As you can see here, these two packing cubes fill up this space pretty perfectly, and while I could possibly stuff some stuff on top before zipping it, I'm going to leave this as a baseline. This is to give you information. It's not going to be a perfect test. Similarly, when we stick these packing cubes in the GR1, we're left with this bit of open space at the top, and this is mainly what we're going to be working with. Whereas in the GR2, we're going to have these in the main compartment and be packing out that additional front flap. So it's not the most scientific measure, but I'm going to be filling this space with some of my socks. These are the Wilson Crew socks, and I have them rolled up in just a 2-4. In here, in the GR1 26-liter, I was able to fit 4 next to each other with 4 more behind. So you could say that in addition to these 2 packing cubes, I'm able to fit 8 socks in the space of the main compartment in the GR1 26-liter. So in the GR2 26-liter, I have the 2 packing cubes pretty much saturating this larger main compartment. In the front compartment now, I've managed to fill this with socks. Instead of having these 2 layers deep, like in the GR1, these only go 1 layer deep because it is a shallow pocket. But you can see here I have 2 rows of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, for a total of 14 socks up here, where we were only able to fit 8 in the GR1. So what does this difference look like if you're packing more for a trip than just loading up socks in a backpack? For me, generally, whenever I travel anywhere, I always have my Travel-On toiletry kit and my Tom Bin side effect, where I keep all of the miscellaneous items I like to have with me while traveling. If I'm packing out the GR1, I don't really have room to put both of these in this top spot. I can fit in my side effect, but then over here, clearly not big enough to put my toiletry kit. So I'd probably do something like stick it flat and open it up under the flap here. Depending on how full, though, I have these front pockets, I might not be able to get away with really stuffing a lot of stuff, applying pressure to the front, especially not if I have my tablet or something in the slash pocket here. With the packing cubes in the main compartment of the GR2 26-liter, I can fit in the toiletry kit and the side effect over here in the front pocket and still have room to stick whatever I want over in this top pouch that's built in. If I have bulky items, I don't have to worry about things that are pushing too much against the way the bag wants to be stored. So I can fit those additional travel items in here, and everything is in that more compact form. Hopefully this gave you a good sense for how the size compares between the 26-liter GoRuck GR1 and the 26-liter GoRuck GR2. Depending on how you pack and what you carry, either bag might be the right option for you. If you only need 1 packing cube, you can obviously fit a lot more in the GR1 than I did in this demonstration, but the GR2, I think, still has more usable space, despite them both having that 26-liter advertisement. Thank you all very much for watching. If you like content like this and want to see more, please smash the like button on YouTube, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it, and it really helps me out. Thanks again, and have a good day.